Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by logging into the email account that holds the photos and make sure two-step authentication is handled so you won't get interrupted. Once done, locate the specific message, attachments or inline images, and open it in a dedicated window or tab so you can focus. Next, decide if you'll download originals or save resized copies. Choose originals for quality, resized for storage. Finally, have a destination folder ready on your device or cloud so you can move items immediately. Now you extract photos efficiently. If the client shows an attachments menu, select multiple files and click download or save. That bundles them into one zip in many services. If images are inline, right-click each and pick Save Image as to preserve file name. This avoids compression artifacts. Once saved, move them into a well-named folder, date, or event, and enable Cloud Sync if you want backups. Make sure file types, JPG, PNG, HEIC, are noted so you can convert if needed. Finish by organizing and converting. If files are HEIC and your app won't open them, convert to JPEG using built-in tools or a converter. Batch rename by date or event to keep order. Then verify backups. Upload to cloud or external drive, and confirm thumbnails and metadata are intact. If images didn't arrive, check the sender's account, your spam folder, or mailbox storage limits. Also ask the sender to resend as attachments rather than inline images, which can be blocked by some clients.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.